Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on the Vinted application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Vinted application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be prompted to do so. You can log in using your Facebook, your Google account, or your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, whenever you come across any account that doesn't follow the community standards, then you can simply tap on their username and you will find the block option at the top right corner within the three dots menu. Now, you will need to remember that there is no block list within your account. So once you block someone, the only way to unblock them is to take a note of their username so that you can search for their profile later on. After you have taken a note of their username, you can just use the search box in order to search for this user manually, and once you now visit their profile, you will then see the unblock button. You can then tap on this button in order to unblock this user once again. So the only catch is that you will need to take a note of any user that you may want to unblock later in the future, since there is no block list that you can access within your profile. And there you have it. That is how you can unblock any user that you have blocked on the Vinted application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.